I'm Scott Bowling with Trusted Senior Solutions. You're seeing this video because your assessment results just flagged several critical risk areas in your Medicare setup. Based on your answers, you are currently exposed to potential lifetime enrollment penalties or significant gaps in coverage that could cost you thousands out of pocket. Medicare is full of invisible traps. If you miss a specific enrollment window or choose a plan that doesn't properly cover your specific doctors or medications, the consequences aren't just frustrating, they're often permanent. A score of 81 or higher tells me that your current strategy has some red flags that need an immediate expert eyes-on review. But here's the good news. Most of these issues can be fixed if we act quickly. I want to offer you a 10-minute gap analysis call. This isn't a high-risk pressure sales pitch. We're going to look at your specific red flags, check your current plan against your actual needs, and see if we can plug those holes today. Right below this video, you'll see my live calendar. Pick a time that works for you. Let's get you off the high risk list and give you the peace of mind you deserve. I look forward to speaking with you.